So basically, my 91 4Runner was throwing out some symptoms like no click, no start, sometimes one click, no start. It was very inconsistent, but what was consistent was anytime it reached operating temperature and I shut it off, it wouldn't start up again until the next day. So leaving me stranded at gas stations. Luckily, it's a 5-speed, so I was able to push start it and get going if need be, but it's very frustrating. The previous owner changed out the starter, so I wasn't going to mess with that. I went through relays, that wasn't doing it. And then I came across the video by Worthless Whips. He had a 1990 Pontiac Firebird formula. His alarm was preventing it from starting. It turns out these alarms have their own starter relay, and those go out because they're garbage. And so you could be hunting down relays and you'll never fix the relay that you need to. So my advice is, if you have a dot of death or a little horn under your hood, a little bozo the horn, just go through and chances are you got a snake in your grass underneath your steering wheel. So pull that out and just, trace your wires back. I mean, the color code should be there. If they're side crimps or whatever, you just remove it and then electrical tape it. But if you have to, you can just butt connect it and clean up that rat's nest. So look for the dot of death with a horn, and if you have the no click, no start, one click, no start, chances are it's because you got an old car alarm that needs to be yanked out. So props to Worthless Whips making that video, because I don't think I would have figured it out. So thank you.